Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. I'm in the computer room, as you can see, and this is virus update for November 17th, 2021. Yesterday, I went and I got my third Moderna COVID-19 inoculation. The booster. Hey, I'm 65 years old. I got a heart condition. So, I take as little risks as possible. I would show you my vaccination card, but I've been told that's a no-no because people can scan the image on their computer and print it up and make one of their own. For those people, go to the tattoo parlor and get Novax tattooed on your forehead. So the people like me who have a brain can know to stay away from you. Tell you what, move to Idaho, live in a tent, and when you get sick, don't go to the hospital. Let the bears and the wolves deal with your dead ass. You think I'm being funny? I'm not. What's funny is the brains of the people who say, no vaccinations, no masks, no social distancing. These are the chuckleheads. Vaccinate, wear a mask, socially distance, and it's a nasty world full of filthy people leaving their shitty fingerprints all over the place. Gloves. Wear gloves when you go outside. I'm pretty sure you don't want to bring home someone's doo-doo art on your fingers. Do you? Good night from California. Stay safe.